Great Britain. In Great Britain, people speak English. In Great Britain, people speak English. Germany. In Germany, people speak German. In Germany, people speak German. Spain. In Spain, people speak Spanish. In Spain, people speak Spanish. United States. In the United States, people speak English. In the United States, people speak English. China. In China, people speak Chinese. In China, people speak Chinese. Japan. In Japan, people speak Japanese. In Japan, people speak Japanese. France. In France, people speak French. In France, people speak French. India. In India, people speak Hindi. In India, people speak Hindi. Russia. In Russia, people speak Russian. In Russia, people speak Russian. Brazil. In Brazil, people speak Portuguese. In Brazil, people speak Portuguese. Australia. In Australia, people speak English. In Australia, people speak English. Switzerland. In Switzerland, people speak German. In Switzerland, people speak German. Argentina. In Argentina, people speak Spanish. In Argentina, people speak Spanish. Canada. In Canada, people speak English. In Canada, people speak English. South Korea. In South Korea, people speak Korean. In South Korea, people speak Korean. Italy. In Italy, people speak Italian. In Italy, people speak Italian. Turkey. In Turkey, people speak Turkish. In Turkey, people speak Turkish. Netherlands. In the Netherlands, people speak Dutch. In the Netherlands, people speak Dutch. Egypt. In Egypt, people speak Arabic. In Egypt, people speak Arabic. Sweden. In Sweden, people speak Swedish. In Sweden, people speak Swedish. South Africa. In South Africa, people speak English. In South Africa, people speak English. Austria. In Austria, people speak German. In Austria, people speak German. Mexico. In Mexico, people speak Spanish. In Mexico, people speak Spanish. Israel. In Israel, people speak Hebrew. In Israel, people speak Hebrew. New Zealand. In New Zealand, people speak English. In New Zealand, people speak English. Thailand. In Thailand, people speak Thai. In Thailand, people speak Thai. Portugal. In Portugal, people speak Portuguese. In Portugal, people speak Portuguese. Poland. In Poland, people speak Polish. In Poland, people speak Polish. Greece. In Greece, people speak Greek. In Greece, people speak Greek. Norway. In Norway, people speak Norwegian. In Norway, people speak Norwegian.